Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a subroutine function where we're going to take some user input and then we're going to print it out to the user, and then we're going to close the program down in an interesting way. So let's start. We'll create the subroutine called info here. Let's put that down there. And I'm going to create a greeting, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 scalar greeting, and I'm going to assign basically hello to this greeting. Let's pull that back a little bit there. Okay, so now I'm going to print say enter name, and I'm going to create another variable called name, and we're going to get some user input from the user with prompt. Okay, so the user is going to type in their name, and we're going to grab that from the user. And the next one, I'm just going to add a little space here to make it a bit easier to work with. Okay, the next one here, we're going to get the age. So I'm going to print out to the user, let's say enter age. Okay. So again, I'm going to create a scalar here called age equal to prompt and that's going to be enter your age. Okay, so enter your age there. Okay, and I think we're going to do another one. I think we'll ask the user for their country. So say enter country, and that's going to be my scalar country. It's going to be equal to prompt. Going to be enter country. Okay, so basically the user is going to enter their name, their age and their country. Oops, made a mistake there. Okay, sorted. Right, and we're going to print out all this information to the user by using say here. So first of all, we're going to print off the scalar greeting that we created up top. So this is greeting here. Your the first one is name, isn't it? Your name is, and that's going to be scalar name, and you are, and that's going to be scalar age, and from scalar country. Okay, so that's everything there, I hope. I'm just going to check it. Okay, so we've got the greeting from up here, which should print out hello, your name is, then the name that the user entered into the prompt, and of course age and the country. And now I'm going to do something here called quitting program. Okay, so after that we're going to quit the program. I'm going to create another little subroutine here. So go down here, sub, of course, that's not right, it's not spelled right, is it? quitting program. I'm just going to call it quit program, why not? Sub quit program. Okay. So once we've finished here, we're going to go down. We're going to this is going to take us to this program here, which is another subroutine. So we're going to tell the user what's going to happen. We do that by using say here and quitting program. And we're going to give the user a little bit of a countdown here. So I'm going to use something called the sleep function. So you type in sleep. I'm going to put 1 here, which represents 1 second. So basically it will pause it for 1 second. If I wanted, I could put 10 seconds or 100 seconds or whatever. But here I just want a pause of 1 second. And then we're going to print something out. Say 3. And then we're going to do sleep again for 1 second, and then we're going to print something out using say. So that's going to be 2. 3, 2, 1. Sounds like Thunderbirds are ready to go. And then we're going to do another sleep for 1 second, and do this, and then say 1. Okay. And then we're going to print out the final message to the user, which is bye. Okay. And then we're simply going to quit the program by exit here. Okay, now all we have to do is call this program, save it first, call this program. So I'm going to start here with info. Hopefully I've not made any typos, but it does happen from time to time. So let me just save that there. So I'm going to call it info. Save it again. Let's open up the terminal here so we can see, and let's run our program as always by typing in Raku and the name of the program new.raku. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, so there we go, enter a name. So I'm going to say Dave. Okay, enter age, so I'm going to say 45. Enter country, let's say USA. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye, we've quit the program, but that was a little bit fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this down so you can see what actually happened. So first of all, I entered the name here from the prompt, Dave, and then it asked me for my age, so I entered 45. Then it asked me for the country, so I entered the USA. Then what it did, it printed hello. Now, hello comes from the greeting up here, so it's this one here, so which was contained here, hello. So it printed that, and then what it did, it came to quit program, which took it down to this subroutine here, and it started executing this code. So it executed this code here, quitting program, and then it did a little pause, 3, and then printed 2, 3, 2, 1, etc. And then the last one, it printed out bye-bye, and then we exited it. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. It's only a very simple little example. I call it a mini project, and you know, it's something fun to do. You know what I mean? It's all right coding and following these boring, dry old coding routines off the web, but it's when you can actually take the code and you can make something out of it. You know, make something. Like I say, it's not the most important program in the world, but it's fun to do, and that's how you learn. So anyway, I've waffled on enough. So I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.